Welcome to Larrikin, Japan. Got a real treat for you today. We've got this Type R, Civic Type R. Now, this thing has 10 kilometers on it. She's got Brembo brakes. This is smooth, really smooth. So she's running Michelin Pilot Sport 4s on it. And the wheel size is 19-inch, 265, 50, 30s. Yeah, she's a real treat. So Type R these spoilers are really nice on them. Got the 3 pipes hanging out the back. That's really smooth. Yeah, he was telling me he's been trying to get one of these for 4 years. He finally got his hands on one. So the keys are really nice. Look at the key on it, beautiful. Yeah, we'll crack him open. It's got all tape on so don't get it all marked up. Now this thing is worth 5.8 million, so about 58,000 Australian. But look at the mats, got the Type R written on it. It's really nice. Yeah, we'll get in, don't want to make a mess in here. Now, let's get the seat back a little bit. Got a floor mat here, I'll just put the floor mat down so I don't get it dirty. I don't want to get it dirty on him. Now, this thing is a 6-speed, she's manual. Here you got all your drive modes, your park and that. We won't start it, but we'll just get the So here's all the instruments firing up. Really nice. Goes up to 320 on the clock. Red line's at 7,000. Here's the Bluetooth entertainment and everything. I'm not getting into that. But you got all your controls here for each side. You got your USB down here. Yeah. Oh, it's all numbered too. Type R, so it's got its number on it. But the seats are really nice. They're all bolstered, so they really hold you in. Yeah, we'll just turn it off there. But you got your controls. It's all this, what do they call it? Akiya steering wheel. It's really nice. But yeah, 6-speed manual. Be a real nice box. Oh yeah, that's smooth. Huh, really smooth. Got all you adjust your vents like this. That's cool. Got your ETC and all your stuff down here. Now, under the bonnet is a real treat. Yeah, I'll show you under the bonnet. But it's got this akiya everywhere. It's really nice. Now this is where all the magic happens. So here's your turbo down here. But it's really nice. Got this carbon fibre with the Type R typed into it. Really nice. Now this is what amazed me. Look at the battery. They've got it wrapped up in it's got its own bag it's in. All your fuse boxes. Here's your intake. So she'll suck in. It has got vents here, with real vents, so you can get air into the engine to help keep it cool. Yeah, so this thing has 10 kilometers on it. I'm not sure where the compliance plate is to see what year model it is. I'm not sure where we find the compliance plate on it. Must be around somewhere. But yeah, it's really nice under here. Now have a look in the back. The back is all, the seats are all this akiya, whatever they call it. It's like a suede sort of thing. Here you've got your cup holders in the centre here like this. That's funny. But it's all got the red mats and that. Red stitching. It's really nice. All black headliner. It's all got this nice little things. I love this spoiler on it. This spoiler is fantastic. Now let's have a look inside. Here we go. Now this amazed me before. Look how big it is in the back here. You could nearly put a body in here. Oh, this goes across here. So you can put that across to keep it stuff covered so people can't see in. That's really nice. But it's really smooth. Now, you got no spare tyre or nothing. There's nothing under there. It's really nice. And it's good. Yeah. Oop. Yeah. They've got all the Brembo brakes and everything. Quite nice looking wheels, actually. I don't mind it. So a Type R. What do you reckon? Would you buy one? Geez, I would, if I had the money. If I had a spare 50 grand, I'd get this thing. It's really nice. 10Ks on. I don't know where compliance plate for it to tell you the year and all. I'm not sure. Usually they put them down here. Oh, what's this? No, I don't know. Doesn't really tell me the year. Have a look on the driver's side. But it is a smooth looking car. She is a smooth looking beast. No, that's for your tyre pressures and all that. Yeah, so 19 inch. Anyway, that's a bit of a look at the Type R. What do you reckon? Leave me a comment below what you think of it. I like it. I really like it. I reckon it's smooth. Man, that's a real smooth car. Okay, that's it for today. Just a quick look at this Type R.